Okay, it's time to pick a winner for the Caddx Firefly giveaway. I'll go ahead and load up the video and see how many comments we got. 248 comments. Go ahead and pick someone. Jeff Venable. I got a correct hashtag and comment, and I'm pretty sure he's a subscriber, but I'm going to check anyway. I've seen lots of comments from Jeff before. Okay, so there I am. Okay, congratulations, Jeff. Yeah, just leave a comment down below with contact information, just basically an email address where I can just contact you so that I can get shipping information and we can arrange to get the camera shipped off to you. Anyway, thanks everybody for entering the contest. I obviously have a lot of the giveaways going on right now, so make sure you don't miss those videos, and there's going to be more giveaways coming in the future. So make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss those videos. Thanks again everybody for entering the contest, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.